So, for today's episode, we're gonna dive into the history of carpentry. Let's uncover the origin of carpentry arts. So, we should start from the ancient times. So, from the ancient times, the origins of carpentry has its roots in ancient civilizations, dating back to the early use of wood as a primary building material. Early carpenters used simple tools made from stone, bone, and wood to shape and assemble structures. When it comes to the Egyptians' more structured culture, the ancient Egyptians were skilled carpenters, using tools like saws, chisels, and mallets. They constructed wooden boats, furniture, and intricate wooden coffins. The tombs and temples also often included wooden elements, showcasing their carpentry skills. Furthermore, when it comes to Greece and Rome, Greek and Roman carpenters made significant advancement, developing tools such as auger and the plane. They built sophisticated structures, including houses, ships, and public buildings. The Romans are particularly noted for their use of wooden scaffolding in constructing their architectural marvels. So when it comes to Middle Age until 19th century, the craftsmanship of carpenter are highly improved. In the medieval of Europe, during the Middle Age, carpentry became a highly skilled craft. Carpenters played a crucial role in building the timber frame houses, barns, cathedrals of the period. The development of the Gothic architectural style, which is intricate woodwork, highlighted the skill of medieval carpenters. Here are some examples. When it comes to guilds, carpentry guilds began to form in medieval Europe. These guilds regulated the trade, provided training through apprenticeships, and maintained high standards of workmanship. The master carpenter was a respected position within the guild and society. As the time goes on, we reach 7th to 19th century. So firstly, the colonial America. Carpentry was essential in the constructions of colonial settlements in America. Carpenters built homes, barns, furniture, and ships. The style was often utilitarian, but also included decorative elements such as reflecting European influences. In terms of the Industrial Revolution era, the Industrial Revolution brought mechanization to carpentry. Steam-powered sawmills and mass production techniques allowed for quicker and more efficient processing of wood. This period also saw the introductions of new materials such as plywood. So finally, we reach the current era, which is the 21st century. So the 21st century, technology integration happened. Modern carpentry has embraced technology. These technologies allow for precision and efficiency in designing and cutting wood. We also have the sustainable practices. There is a growing emphasis on sustainability in carpentry. Carpenters are increasingly using eco-friendly materials such as reclaimed wood and sustainable forestry practices. When it comes to customization and innovation, today's carpenters are not only the builders but also the designers and also innovators. Custom cabinetry, furniture, and intricate woodwork are in high demand, reflecting a blend of traditional craftsmanship and modern design. So after understanding the history of carpentry, We also have excellent carpentry for our kitchen cabinets and countertops, especially for the customization and innovation that are becoming more and more popular in the current era. Firstly, we offer dedicated cabinet consultant to accompany your journey of buying your own ideal kitchen cabinet and countertops. Secondly, we also go to further as finance your personal ideal kitchen cabinet. We offer 24 months of installments with 0% of interest. Last but not least, you will be given up to 3 times of free 3D drawings, and this is because we want to ensure that our craftsmanship, our customized kitchen cabinet and countertops will eventually meet your needs and desire. Finally, remember to visit us at Taman Gaya to lock down the price now with us, as the price of renovation costs are keep increasing due to the supply chain and the economy of Malaysia. Act now.